it's kind of dark in here today. That's fine. Pose and pose. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, I'm CourtneyQuarantine, your host. I'm gonna get started on some makeup today. I'm really just gonna focus on this eyeshadow palette and just kind of have a little chat, because that's what I feel like doing. I'm really excited to get this PR, and I'm just so grateful, and I feel like it's been a minute since it's launched, which isn't like a bad thing to talk about things after they've launched, but I feel like everything was so hectic when it first like came out that I've been like, I'm like, I need to use it. I want to use it so bad. Like, but things have just kind of been busy. So anyway, life and things have happened. However, I'm super excited for this collab. I'm super excited for this palette. I'm just super excited for Ghoul. So as you could probably tell from the title, I'm going to be talking about Ghoul's collab and the Ghoul's palette, which also includes Ghoul's art on it too. So like, I don't know. I love to see fellow artists winning, and this looks so stunning and beautiful. Also because the color story is something that I feel like I'm going to use and most likely travel with, but we'll see. I don't want to, I don't want to call it too soon. But anyway, if you're new here, hello, I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and you can find any of my other work in the description. If you're curious about the games that I'm streaming, games that I'm playing, or my photography or any of that other stuff, it'll be linked. It's there. If you just kind of want to chill and hang out here while I do some makeup, and yeah, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Also, if you want to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate that. It helps with the algorithm and all that jazz. But also, if you want to comment something below. Comment a little hobby maybe that you're getting into, or something that you're excited for like the spring and summer. If you're not a spring and summer person like myself, know that I'm with you, and there are many things to be excited about. There are the horrors, but we can also have our fun, good times at the same time. Anyway, let's freaking open this palette, dude. I'm so excited. I could start crying at any moment. As the package would suggest, this is from C Beauty Mall, which I don't think I've gotten anything from them before. And I've made a couple carts, I'm not gonna lie. I've made a couple carts. So this is extra special. Oh my God, dude. I literally can't wait. Oh, it's packaged with like little, these are like little air pillows of protection. I really hope this palette traveled. Like, I hope it's okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't even remember what I was saying. I can start to see the art. Ghoul, also thank you so much for this. Ghoul messaged me a while back letting me know that this would be heading my way, and not only was I like so freaking excited and like happy for them, just because like, I don't know, when you see people and like, again, like artists that you want to winning and like creating stuff, it's just really fun. And for me, it's extra special because I feel like I'm lucky enough to have a lot of like really wonderful mutuals who are so wonderful and creative, and then it's just, it's a treat for me because then I get cool, wonderful, gorgeous makeup. So I feel like stylistically, Ghoul and I like a lot of the same things, which I just freaking love. We wear things obviously in a very different way, but like, it's just, I don't know. Ghoul, I freaking love you. Oh, dude, come on now. Oh, yeah. So this is Noiricorn. I think it's Noiricorn, but I might be pronouncing that wrong. Let me watch a video really fast. So the brand I believe is called Noiricorn. I thought it was Noiricorn, but I do think it is Noiricorn, which is really freaking cool. Look at this. Like, look at this packaging already. I'm gonna tell you right now, this might become a favorite of mine. Just off of vibes alone, I don't know. I would never sit here and say like, I'm not gonna be biased, because that's literally not possible. But I also just feel like it's gonna give me like the moody, cool vibes that I really look for in makeup and everything. I don't want to rip this packaging, dude. I do not want to rip this packaging. Let me, please open. I'm most excited to see the artwork on the inside because I know that Ghoul made it. And if I'm remembering correctly, there's like a lot of Flora inspired and Elden Ring, Souls games. Dude. So this is also, I should say too, this is the Blight Moon palette. And let's freaking see. Yeah. Yes, dude. Are you serious? Oh, it looks good with my nails right now too. Oh, period. Ghoul. This is so cool. Oh. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. I think I need a backup based on, you get like a little guard. Take that off. Dude, Soot, Gilded Lumen, Bilethorn, Chimeweed, Gravelight, Obscura, Bloodstone, Ruby Flame, Wraithwood. There's also a mirror in here, which I like to note. So again, when you like travel with stuff, or if you just need like a mirror for things, there is a mirror inside the palette, which I enjoy. But look at this color story, dude. Like this, really? I am so into this. It's not even funny. It is not even freaking funny. Ghoul. This is sick. This is freaking sick. This is one of those palettes that's like so pretty. I almost don't want to use it, but I feel like it's going to be one that I reach for a lot. So let's just get into it. Just wanted to take a moment while it's still like pristine almost. I'm going in with a new eyeshadow primer today. This is the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. It's in a stick, which I am really excited to try, but I'm pretty sure Robert Welsh talks about this this primer all the time. So Robert, shout out to you. Thank you so much for mentioning this. And also if it's not you that uses it, hey Robert, thanks for being you. But I'm like pretty sure it is. So let's see. Ooh, yeah. I just wanted something that I could like whip on and like it would be a little bit faster. I'm always looking for ways to make things more efficient. And sometimes with eye primer, like I really love the About Face one. And I really I've used a lot of eyeshadow primers. I'm just like kind of underwhelmed by them for the most part. And so I figured I would try this one because it just seemed more, again, efficient. So let's see, this is the shade. I ordered two. This one came first. This is Persuade. This might be a little too like peachy, but let's just like kind of see what it gives. Yeah, it's a little too, I would want something a little light. Actually, that's quite nice. Actually, that's kind of, that's not bad. Okay. I'm gonna take it all around. And then I'm gonna just take a brush to kind of pat out the edges. Sweet God, that was literally so easy. That was so nice. Okay, please work well. Please. Okay, I'm gonna start off with Grave Light because I simply can't use any other shade. It's just this gray in the corner. So we're starting here. And I'm just gonna kind of tap on the edge, I think. I love when gray looks like this. Oh, it's pigmented in a way that feels approachable and blendable. That's nice. Haha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm taking that everywhere. Actually, I need more of that shade. I need more of that shade. I'm gonna put it in the crease. Immediately, yes. I love gray. Ooh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes, I do like. Now I'm gonna take this shade. This I'm really freaking excited for. I think actually this one right here is a Wraithwood, I believe. You know, I'm gonna put it in the outer corner. I actually cannot begin to tell you how much I love this kind of a tone. Dude, the green in it, the green in it, the green in it. Ooh. I'm stamping that on the inner corner. That is exactly yes. That is exactly yes. I probably should have switched brushes. It's too late now. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I love that. I need a fluffy brush. Okay, let's get serious. Unfortunately, I had some like blue freaking shimmer or something on one of my brushes and it's pissing me off. So there's a shimmer happening and it's not from here yet, but I do need to use these shimmers immediately. Another shade I'm very happy to see is this one. This is Bloodstone, and I'm simply gonna press it on the lid. Yeah, dude. Oh, absolutely yes. Oh, absolutely yes. Ghoul, did you make this palette for me? You made it for all of us, honestly, but this is freaking vibes. I mean, look at that. Honestly, that's a lovely kind of like, Bloodstone is a really great name for that too. I love this. I'm gonna assume that Ghoul maybe came up with the names too. Where is this blue shimmer coming from? Who are you? Where'd you come from? Hello? Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. That blue shimmer's really pissing me off, but this look is making me very happy. Yeah. I'm gonna use this Sigma primer on my lower lash line too. I'm very curious about this. Using a new eye primer and using a new palette on the same day is a bit of a risky move, but again, because I've heard Robert talk about this, I had faith, okay? But this might become very handy dandy for me. We'll see. I am gonna take a little bit of Grave Light, so that first shade, and just put it on the edge, this corner right here. I really like how these shadows are moving so far and like how they're picking up, how they're just kind of going about. Like I just have no complaints, I feel like so far. This is really stunning. And I quite enjoy this. Let me go ahead and take Bloodstone and add it right. Oh dear God. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Taking a little bit of Wraithwood out here too, because I want it a little bit darker, just right on the edge. Oh, yes. Everything about this, dude. And I haven't even gotten to the shimmers yet. Oh, I'm liking the mood. I'm liking the vibe. I'll probably give it a once over for a blend, at least on the top. But I need to try a shimmer immediately. And this Obscura in the Ruby Flame. Now I know that I will also really like the Gilded in the Chime Wood, so it looks white in the pan, but I imagine it will be very transformative. I already have an idea of a look that I want to do with that, but I need to see Obscura. Ooh. Dude. Woo! Stop. Stop. Enough. Ruby Flame. Oh, sweet heavens. That is soft. Oh, shut up. Pardon. Pardon? Pardon? It was just a little bit, oh, just a little bit, oh, a little touch. Sorry, the bones in my hand sometimes make it skip. I know. Bones. Dude, I need a backup. Unfortunately, I need a backup, I fear. I want to be able to travel this and not be worried. I am going to apply Obscura with just like the tiniest application on the, well, okay, hold on. Yeah, hold on. You're like, okay. Let me give the edges just like a little once over with some powder because I need that edge to be just a little bit more blended. I'm gonna take a little bit of Gravelight too and just kind of, yeah. Needed that just little zhuzh. Now again, I don't know if this is because of the eye primer or the shadows or just the primer and shadows combined, but like where I put them, they're really sticking. Like they're blending well, everything looks really nice, but I'm not blending everything away. And I really enjoy that about shadows because if I start to blend and it just kind of goes poof, I'm a little pissed off, I'm not gonna lie. Like that will send me, there's a range of blendability that I enjoy. And if I go to blend and it just smokes away, then what's the point of me having like placement down? You know what I'm saying? Then that defeats the purpose of me being like, oh, I want my inner corner, oh, I want this, oh, I want here, doo-doo-doo. You're gonna piss me off. Okay, but this is looking quite nice. Okay, I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of Obscura, just the tiniest bit, and I just want to see kind of if I tap it on here. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay, well, all right. Well, yeah, sure. I just wanted a little bit of it. Again, just kind of tapping it down and bringing it up a little bit. Eee! That's so pretty, dude. That is so freaking pretty. Oh, stunning. Stunning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Now, you know I need to use Ruby Flame, but because my nails are long right now, I'm going to see if I can use Ruby Flame with a little bit of a brush. And I want this placement to be precise because I want to get it basically on like on the inner, you know what, actually, you'll see where I want to put it because I'm going to put it there. I know it will probably better apply with a finger. However, because I just want a little bit, let's see if this works. I'm gonna press lightly with the tiniest bit. Okay, I need a little more. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes, dude. Yep. A little bit here. Ooh. Yup. There. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of red flame right under here. Yes. Oh, that looks sick. That actually looks so cool. I feel very Elden Ring right now. But I also don't know if that's just because Ghoul and I bond over Elden Ring all the time. We will be playing Elden Ring together someday. I hope. That would be great. But either way, like, it's just nice to, like, I don't know. I love video games so much, and I love talking to people about video games. I love seeing people engage in, like, the things that they love, like the artwork that they love. And seeing this palette, too, is just, every time I get something from, like, a fellow creative, a fellow artist, it fills me with such joy because I feel like this really is, like, kind of the whole point of it all. Like, to get cheese ball a little bit with it, it's like, oh, yeah, I kind of forgot that this was the whole point. Like, yeah, creating beautiful things and, like, sharing it with your friends or sharing it with people who you think would love it. Like, it's really so stunning and beautiful, and I'm so excited to get packages like this. I know you all hear me talk about this very often because I want to share it because I'm excited about it. I think this eye look is sick. I love these colors so much. I'm very excited to get into the yellow green, but for this, like, this is really what I had in mind, at least for the first look. Let me know if you want to see another look, but I will probably just share with you either way. But truly, like, congratulations, Ghoul. And also, like, Ghoul, thank you so much. I really enjoy you and I really appreciate you. So congratulations. This is stunning, beautiful. And it also just, it makes a lot of sense. So stunning job on the artwork, the names, the colors, just this whole thing makes a lot of sense and is stunning. I mean, come on, like, this is cool. Like, this is something that I would want. Like, this is like a poster I would want to hang up. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, dude, get into it. I did a really fast base and now I'm trying to decide if I want to do like a blonde brow. And I think I do. I think I want the focus to be more on the eyes and this little moment. So I think I'm gonna do a blonde brow. For like, this is what I call like a dirty blonde brow, okay? So I take soybean or blonde from the Glisten Cosmetics Spectra Lash line. This one is soybean. I freaking love this thing. Dude, this freaking rocks. But I basically just take it and like back comb it and then run it through my brow. But I don't need it to be like fully covered. Like, I don't need to be like fully pristine blonde brow type of vibe or bleach brow type of vibe. I kind of like it when it's like a little like, looks like my brows have grown out kind of. I don't know. Also just because I don't want to bleach my brows and like I know I literally could in 5 seconds. I just don't care to. I like going back and forth between like a bold brow, a blonde brow, a feathery brow, my spikes. So it's just like, just kind of a vibe that I can do this quickly with this product and then it's done. And then I wash it off and then it's a new dawn, it's a new day tomorrow. Like, you see what I mean? It almost looks like it's a bleach brow, like kind of grown out. I don't know. It just feels like kind of more grungy to me. It feels a little bit more like intentionally messy, but in like a cool way. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, I think this fits the vibe. I think it does. Same thing over here. I just kind of run it through one way and then run it back. Oh God, I got it in my hair. Oh Lord, hold on. I need a mirror. Do not sabotage me. Run it through, run it back. Yup. Cute. Yes, I do enjoy this. This looks good. Let me take my hair down and decide. I do want to wear 148 with this. This much I do know. I'm going to take Java from Izumaya for this lip liner. I'm obsessed with these. I love these. And I think, oh wow, I really sharpened that the last time. Dang, I'm down. And I'm gonna do my usual corners. I might need a little bit of black, actually. Okay, cute. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of black. I'm gonna use the Glisten Spectra pencil in black. This is one of my favorite things. Just to make it even darker. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna take 148. This is my lipstick with Mob. This is the first lipstick I made with them. I love it so much. It's my gray. And I'm just gonna take it in the center and pat. Yeah, 100%. 100% with this eye. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh, stunning. Yeah. This is exactly what I had in mind. I love this so much. I feel like I was a little quiet when I was like doing my makeup, so this video might be a little bit shorter, and obviously I kind of skipped my complexion. I honestly just needed like a little bit of like a therapeutic time to do my makeup, and like I have so much on my mind, and sometimes when it gets like so overwhelming, I don't know, I just get like a little in my head. But I really like, this feels so good to like be done and like take a little bit of time, even if it's very short, just to like sit here, do this look, dive into this stunning palette. Like it feels so good. It looks so good. I love this look a lot. I don't think that's going to be a surprise to literally anyone. And I think even if like you were to have seen that palette, like it makes sense, but it's just even cooler that it's Ghoul. So Ghoul, thank you so much again. Noiricorn, Ghoul, congratulations again. This is so cool. I love all the details. I can't wait to do another look, which is again, another sign that it's just going to be something that I feel like I use a lot, but I feel like you kind of already knew that the color story was going to be right up my alley. And I just love that. If you have anything specific that you want to see the palette or anything like that, do leave it in the comments, or something else you want to see, let me know. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, giving this video a thumbs up if you like this video and you want to help with the algorithm and all that jazz, and also leaving a comment down below, maybe your favorite part, something you're excited for the summer, maybe a movie or a show that you've seen recently that you enjoyed, a video game that you've played recently and you enjoyed. I would love to know. But as always, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yup.